Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Adobe Acrobat when it is not responding. First, try force quitting the application. If Adobe Acrobat is frozen and not closing, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard and open Task Manager. Find Adobe Acrobat in the list, click on it, and then select End Task. This will close the program completely. After that, open Adobe Acrobat again and see if the issue is fixed. If the problem continues, the next step is to repair the installation. Open Adobe Acrobat, go to the top menu, click on Help, and then select Repair Installation. This option will scan for damaged or missing files and fix them automatically. Wait for the process to finish, then restart your computer and try opening the software again. Another common fix is to update Adobe Acrobat. Go to the Help menu again and click on Check for Updates. If there is a newer version available, download and install it. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. You can also try disabling protected mode. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and select Security Enhanced. Find the option called Enable Protected Mode at Startup and uncheck it. Click OK and restart the application. This can help if the issue is caused by security restrictions. If none of these steps work, the final option is to reinstall Adobe Acrobat. Uninstall it from your computer, then download the latest version and install it again. Thanks for watching.